Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Brix's Loft. It is now our third racing week. They're doing okay so far on our last race. They just keep going in a round circle and don't want to land. I tried to drop her, nothing. But anyway, not bad. We were like what, 20th or 22nd place. Here's our young birds. Some of the first batch have molted nicely. You think, come. There's more there. Yeah. I can't get the garden to, I can't even plant because it's all wet here still. And here's our garden. It's too wet. I can't finish rototilling. Excuse me. But I've got our new pergola here with our eggplants. Experimental. We'll see how it works. We've got our long squash. We'll see. By the end of the racing season, we will see how it will progress. Anyway, we will be going to Kenora, 205 kilometers from my house, from the loft. Alright, I will see if I could get a video from the club. I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, we are at the club. We're at V&V Loft here. Let's take a look at some birds. Oh, beautiful birds. Huge loft. Ready for tomorrow?
Always ready.
Good morning guys, it is now our race day. And this guy is a bad guy. He ate all of my cabbages. Bad rabbit. Yes, like usual, I'll try to get home, which I usually do, but they will be doing a early release at 6:30. That's what we were told yesterday at the club. Well, as usual, I am heading to work. I will see you guys later. Hello guys, sorry, I just got back from work now. It's been a long day. The race is now finished, and I think we did a good job. I wasn't here to see it. I packed up my clock and everything. I was just in a rush. But anyway, it seems like we did a good job. All the birds are back. Let's see here. Let's see. All of them are back. Yeah. You guys did a good job. Good timing too. The first bird came at 10:33. The one that got scanned. I gave them a bath now too. Alright guys, I will see you guys when the results come. Hello guys, welcome back. I've gotten our result sheets and we are at 11th place. 1986 was the first bird. And we had 275 birds. These old birds. We are at 125 miles from Kenora. So we had 11th place. 1, 2, and 3 in the first page. And yeah, well, that's it. We only had 3 birds. And these are the lofts that hasn't and then trainers. Yeah, we had these lofts are the one that hasn't had any points. So there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lofts that did really well. Alright, it's getting better and better. It's our 3rd race. I'll see you guys in Dryden A and Kenora B. Oh, we're getting farther to Dryden now. Alright, please like and subscribe.